Feeling overwhelmed by your disorganized computer? Let's dive into how to create partitions in Windows 11 and 10, giving you ultimate control over your storage and a more efficient system. First, in the Windows search bar, type Disk Management and click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions to open the Disk Management tool. This is your control center for all things partitioning. Here, you'll see all your connected drives and their current partitions. To create a new partition, you'll need some unallocated space. If you don't have any, you'll need to shrink an existing partition. Right-click on the partition you want to shrink, usually your main drive, and select Shrink Volume. A new window will pop up. Enter the amount of space you want to allocate to your new partition. Keeping in mind this space will be removed from the current partition and used to create the new one. Click Shrink. You should now see unallocated space displayed in Disk Management. Right-click on this unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. This will launch the new Simple Volume wizard. Click Next to proceed. Specify the size of your new partition. You can use the entire unallocated space or create a smaller partition. Click Next. Assign a drive letter to your new partition. This is how it will appear in File Explorer. Select a letter and click Next. Choose a file system, typically in TFS for Windows, and give your partition a volume label, which is the name that will appear in File Explorer. Check Perform a quick format, then click Next. Review your settings and click Finish. Disk Management will format the partition, and your new drive will appear in File Explorer, ready for you to store your files. Now you have a more organized and secure system.